Hello guys and welcome to Flipping Furniture with Brian. So I have some updates for you from yesterday. I went ahead and sanded the table down. I got the water damage removed off the legs. My paint gun came in off Amazon, so I went ahead and laid some primer down. Paint gun worked beautifully. Once the primer had dried, I went ahead and laid 2 coats of paint on the top and the legs. Again, paint gun worked beautifully. The table was looking great. And the issue came when I went to lay the transfer down on the top. And if you remember, I wasn't sure how that was going to work. So I went ahead and tried to lay the transfer down. Half the transfer stuck, the other half didn't. So then I had to make a decision on what to do to fix that. And so I ended up having to sand the transfer off. Now, when I sanded it off, I had to repaint it. When I repainted it, you could still see where the repaint was done, and so it didn't look right. So in a fit of frustration, I ended up putting some stenciling on the top to try to cover it. Well, I don't like how the stenciling look. It's not the quality of a piece that I want to sell. So my wife and I were sort of looking at it, trying to decide what to do. This is what it looked. Now, I thought for a quick second, well, I can just add some more stenciling to the naked areas there to help cover, any blemishes, and it would make a nice garden table for somebody after a few coats of polyurethane. But again, it's not, it is technically my first piece on the channel, so what can you expect? That's what my wife was saying. But it's just not the quality that I know I can do. So I reluctantly came to the conclusion that I'm going to have to sand all that off down to raw wood, just the top, not the legs. I'm going to sand the top down to raw wood again, and then I'm going to stain it. But before I stain it, actually, I think, because I have some more transfers, the transfer actually should stick to the raw wood once I clean it down. So I'm going to lay the transfer on and then actually put some stain over the top of that, some pretty stain, and then polyurethane it. So that's what I think I'm going to do. If you guys have a better option, though, please leave it in the comments. I am open to suggestions, or just let me know what you think of the piece currently. You're not going to hurt my feelings. So yeah, thank you for stopping by Flipping Furniture with Brian. This is currently the first project we're working on, trying to get it done. Again, if you guys have any comments or suggestions of your own, please do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section below. Please like, subscribe, and follow if you found this entertaining, useful. And if you want to know how any of these pieces turn out, like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you for stopping by Flipping Furniture with Brian. See you guys on the flip side.